Today I'm on my way to replace a gravel driveway with a seashell driveway. This house is located on the coast of Massachusetts. This homeowner is looking for that classic Cape look, and the seashell driveway is a big part of it. I love them. I think they're really nautical and really beautiful to look at. When you line them with cobblestones or some type of edging on them, they look really sharp. Seashell driveways are very popular in coastal communities because of the product. You know, you have the fishing industry, and so they're recycling the shells. It's gonna be a great transformation. I'm excited to do this project. It's gonna look really nice.
Hey, Lee.
Hi, Patrick, how are you?
Great, great. Good to meet you.
Thanks, nice meeting you too. So I got an email from you and something about a driveway.
Yeah. Living in coastal Massachusetts, I see a lot of seashell driveways.
Okay.
I love the look.
Okay.
I would love to have one.
All right, seashells, great. I love them. I have one, they're beautiful to look at. When you pull in the driveway, it's nice.
Any drawbacks?
Drawbacks, shoveling snow.
Yeah.
Maybe a little rough on the feet.
That's all right, I already have the gravel driveways.
So we're good.
Yeah.
All right, so let's talk about the layout. What are you thinking?
So I was wondering if we could square this corner off.
Okay. Are you gonna be okay going all the way back into the flower bed?
No, I think that would get too close to the flower bed.
I agree, okay.
I was actually wondering if we could shorten it a little bit.
Okay.
So I don't need all this length.
All right, perfect. So how if we go right back to here to the septic
That's
tank?
perfect.
That will look nice. It'll be a nice straight line.
Yeah.
And then coming into this area here, we might have to be eliminating that one step. You okay with that?
Oh, that's fine.
Okay, great. All right, so from there, all the way back over to this area, what are you thinking over here?
I was actually wondering if we could widen it a little bit.
Okay.
I have two cars.
Sure.
They fit as is, but just barely.
Okay. Let's not encroach too much on the slope, because we got a
that's fine.
slope. Let's do about, I don't know, what do you think? How about another 3 feet?
3 feet's
That
perfect.
feeling
yeah,
good okay
3
with
feet's
that?
perfect. How much material do we need?
So I like to do length times width times depth.
Okay.
But in a new setting, they recommend 3 inches of depth of the shells. So we're gonna do some measurements.
Should I help you measure?
Sure. Let's go from at the bottom right where you're standing pretty much. So we're roughly 30 feet. And let's go wide. So 30 by 20. All right, so I'm gonna call the supply company and give them the measurements that we have. So we're 30 by 20 by 3 inches deep.
Awesome.
Okay, Patrick. So now we gotta gather up all the stone. What do you think about the stone? You want me to haul it out of here, or do you want to keep it? What do you think?
There's actually a few projects I could use it for.
Good idea. Okay, so we'll repurpose it.
It looks like a lot of work.
Yeah. It's
How
gonna
are
be a
we
little-
doing this?
Well, the old-fashioned way, we could rake it all up in small piles, but I have this tool over here where you can rent, and it's a power broom.
This thing right here.
Yes.
It looks amazing.
It's similar to like a weed whacker, similar, style, but it has a broom on it, and this will help us gather up all the stones.
Okay.
Make sure with power tools we always have ear protection. Okay. And we have safety glasses. Perfect.
Right here.
I'll show you how to start it up. Turn it on. I got this one.
I'll follow your lead.
I'll follow me, okay? We got some piles. Now we got to put them in the wheelbarrow. Do the best you can. Take your time.
How deep do you want to go?
I don't want to get too deep. We're getting into the sand level. I want to stay in the hard level.
One layer of stone.
Correct. The hard pack. That look there. That's perfect. We're in good shape. We left the base, and the lines are drawn out, and that's where we're going to expand the driveway. And to do that, let's take out these stone edgings. So we got this grub axe. Okay, it's got a pick on one end. So I'm going to go behind it and pop it up.
Okay.
See that? And come right up. Coming out pretty good.
Yeah.
Next job, we gotta do a sod cut. I brought a sod cutter machine that will slice underneath the grass and take that out nice. Okay, Patrick, we're gonna remove the soil. So this is a Portuguese grub hoe we're gonna use. And just pull it up like that.
Okay. Just start here and
Yes.
move along the line.
That'd be great. We're not going down too deep, just
Yeah.
on the surface, you know what I mean? Don't be afraid of it, pull it back.
So
There you go.
there we go. Okay. I see.
Okay, nice.
You make it look a lot easier.
30 years in the business.
There you go.
Perfect. You want the old man to finish up?
Unless I'm messing it up hard.
No, you're doing a good job. The old man can finish it up, though. You know what I mean?
It's too bad you don't have some machine that does this.
I know, right? I think we're in good shape with the edging, but I know the shells are on the way, so let's hold off.
Okay.
Look at that. Nice. Okay, we got our shells delivered. What do you think?
Beautiful.
Yeah.
Smells like the ocean.
But that's going to go away in a couple of days.
Okay.
All right. It looks like a local guy down here delivered it, so that's nice.
Yeah.
But you got a good variety. We got some clams. This is a quahog, it looks like. This looks like a scallop. What do you got over there?
A clam?
That looks like a clam, yeah.
Yeah.
So over time, this is going to bleach out in the sun.
Beautiful.
All right, so let's get back to putting some edging down, huh? So now we're going to put the plumb line down. And I'm also going to want to use the 3/4 inch stone that came out of the driveway earlier. We'll put that down, and then we'll tamp it down by hand. Let's get a few in, see what it looks like. Oh, that's a good fit.
Is that it?
Yep, perfect. We're getting there. We'll give it a little tap.
Last one.
We had enough, too.
Oh,
Fit. Nice
that.
fit. That's pretty good.
Yes. Beautiful.
Okay, now we got to spread some seashells. So all I want to do is just cast it out.
Am I going too much with the spread here?
Nope, that's pretty good.
Okay.
Just get a good even coverage. Okay, Patrick, what do you think?
I think it looks great, Lee.
We can see the light at the end of the tunnel. So now last step we got to do is we got to compact it.
Okay.
All right? And I'm gonna give you the blower. Do me a favor, just like clean up a little bit the edges. What do you think?
I think it looks great.
Not bad.
Thank you very much.
Good day's work.
Yeah.
So homework, I need you to backfill it with some loom all the way around the block.
Okay.
Just a little bit of loom on the backside, and just get a little pile of this stuff, maybe a yard or something like that, just for touch up. You know what I mean?
Okay, just to fill in where I need.
Wherever you think you need it. Yeah.
Okay.
Good luck with it.
Thank you very much.
Take care. Nice to meet you.
You too. Thank
Bye-bye
you.
now.
Thanks for watching. This Old House has got a video for just about every home improvement project, so be sure to check out the others. And if you like what you see, click on the subscribe button to make sure that you get our newest videos right in your feed.